Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, ranked AAA by Business and Management Chronicle and ranked A in Best B Schools of India by Business India, offers advanced courses in the field of management studies. MBA, MBA Plus, MBA Plus Plus. The MBA programs are affiliated to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. MBA Dual Specialization in Marketing. Techniques such as case study administration, peer-to-peer learning, webinars, industry mentorship, guest lectures by industry experts, e-learning, theatre technique, role plays, field researches, assignments. Our MBA Plus program is one of the popular management courses because of the advanced certifications provided during the program. Of specialization to all the students. They introduce innovations in teaching pedagogy, continuously improving the quality of teaching. This helps us to retain our position as the top college in Delhi NCR in MBA program. The stellar placement record over the years speaks volumes about the quality of the MBA program offered at Mangalmay Institution, with key recruiters from Fortune 500 companies. We have a dedicated and competent placement cell with strong industry connects responsible for internships and placements. Despite the pandemic crippling the economy and job market, the Career Development Cell enabled over 70+ companies, including industry giants, for recruitment drive over virtual campus placement for the year 2020.
Mangalmay Institute of Management and Technology impart the quality education in the field of management. We are a premium business school in Delhi NCR. We provide the choices of the student for the technical and non-technical organization in order to develop them as a creator, performer and problem solver for the corporate world. For the participatory learning, we focus for the case studies, live projects and industrial visits. Through the guest lectures, seminars and workshops, we provide the industry academic interface for the students. We focus for the add-on programs like NISM, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, finance to non-finance. And in this certification program, we ensure that 2 certifications per students. For the platform of the foreign certification, we provide the Coursera, edX and LinkedIn certification.
And we at Mangalmay ensure that all students undergo rigorous pieces of training for the dream placement. Some of the top MNCs and industry giants who visited Mangalmai for recruitment are Genpact, Paytm, TCS, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Reliance, etc. The highest package for the year 2020 was 12.4 lakhs per annum. Holistic management education continues to be the need of the industry. Our MBA program enables students to master skills through its rigorous curriculum and build a portfolio of experience through multiple internships and real-world learning opportunities that prepare them to excel. Become a part of Mangalmai Institute of Management and Technology, Greater Noida, and fulfill your dreams.